Good day, typewriter aficionados. Today I would like to do a video showcase of my first typewriter in hopefully what's going to be a long and prosperous collection. This is my Olympia Carina 2 semi-portable manual typewriter. This one actually has a plastic case included. Sorry about this, just need to try and bend down. Here is the black case that comes with it, or that came with it in around 1977, I believe. It includes space for some paper under the typewriter itself. It's got kind of a leather texture on it, only it doesn't feel like leather at all. Typical 1970s. Anywho, here is the typewriter itself. It has a slightly beige plastic, and it isn't because of fading, it's just because it was a typical 1970s colour, and this little stand here moved the margin. This little stand here folds up and down. Obviously it is a portable, so everything has to be folded down quite nicely. And this typewriter is a manual, but as I understand, it's one of the last manuals that was really made by Olympia before they started going into calculators, because as far as I can understand, there was a Carina 3 launched in the 1980s sometime, and that wasn't that much different to this. But anyway, this has a function to make the keys more resistive, and there's a little lever to adjust your ink colour. Oh, sorry, the autofocus has gone mad. Okay, and now this little lever, I have no clue what it actually does, so if someone can comment what it does, because I have absolutely no clue. And there's that, and the automatic margin space thingy, followed by a nice little ting. How tuneful. Any hoozles. Now I'll just show you how this thing functions. Here, I'll just take off the hood because it is removable, obviously, for servicing and things like that. There we go, now you can see all the lovely meaty inner workings. And hopefully I'll be able to load some paper with a sheet of A4 paper, obviously. It's going to be quite a mission because I'm holding the camera in my hand. While I'm loading the paper, I just like to apologise for awful video quality. I'm hopefully, if this takes off with typewriter users, and there are many, they just don't show themselves, then I will start making more videos and tutorials on how to fix typewriters, because I must say I have had to fix this machine quite a bit. Alright, so my paper is now loaded, and now I will show you how this machine functions now. Alright, here we go. Oh, what a nice H. Sorry. Ugh, shift. And there we go. That says, hello, I am a Carina 2. Now we can try it in red as well. Oh dear. Typing one-handed with a camera in your hand is not the easiest thing to do. There we go. Oh dear. There we go. and that's in black and red. Now, this typewriter has a bit of a story because I didn't actually purchase it. It was given to me by my grandfather. He bought it for my aunt as she was going into university to type her exams on. And then she decided she was going to start a career with Microsoft. And so she obviously didn't need a typewriter. And so it has been sitting in his office ever since until I came along and took it from him. I didn't take it from him, he gave it to me, I'm not a thief. There we go. And anyway, as you can see, the exterior is plastic, typical 1970s. And yeah, I think it's a gorgeous machine. It works beautifully. I actually type a lot of my school papers on here, and I think it's absolutely gorgeous. So please like and subscribe, and please drop me a comment on what that little lever is, because I have no clue what it is. There's a little plus and a minus there. And if you also have an Olympia Carina 1, 2, 3, that's 1, 2 or 3, please just tell me, because I know quite a few people with typewriters, and none of them have ever heard of an Olympia typewriter, let alone the Carina series. So that's all from me, typing swiftly on. Thank you, and keep typing.